Coins can be described in many different ways. One way that you could describe the coins is by their size. So you can see how the coins are put in order from the smallest in size to the largest in size. So the smallest coin would be the dime, and you can see how that one is the smallest. The next largest coin would be the penny. So it's a little bit bigger than the dime is. And then the largest of those three coins would be the nickel. So we could also order them from largest to smallest, and I can do that by stacking them a different way. So if I put the nickel down first as my coin, and then which one would I put next if I was doing the next one? That's right, I would put in the penny. The penny in the stack, you can tell, is just a little bit smaller than the nickel, so it fits on top. And then the smallest of the coins would be the dime, which fits on top of the penny. And you can see how those stack on top of each other. Another way that you could describe the coins is by their value. Value means how much each coin is worth. So you can see here, this time we have them ordered differently. The penny is the least valued coin. The penny is worth 1 cent. So that one is the first in my order. The next one that has the next biggest value would be the nickel. That's right, the nickel. And do you know how much the nickel's worth? If you said 5 cents, you're correct. How many pennies would be in a nickel? Let's see if you're right. I think it's 5. 1 cent. 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. Great job. So we can think of a nickel as having 5 pennies inside it. So it's worth 5 cents. The next greatest value of coin is the dime. So the dime is the smallest in size, but it's worth the most. It's worth 10 cents. How many pennies would be in a dime? Let's count. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, and 10 cents. So there are 10 pennies in 1 dime. That's equal to 10 cents. So we can put these in order from least to greatest because there's 1 cent in a penny, 5 cents in a nickel or 5 pennies, and 10 cents in a dime or 10 pennies. I hope you learned something about the size and the value of these coins, the penny, the nickel, and the dime, because even though they're different sizes, it doesn't mean that their value is going to be the same. So you need to pay attention and think about how much each coin is worth.